We'll be ruling the star lines now.
So I'm going to turn the line in like this. So we already have our center line here. I'll be ruling a straight line down. So the second one, I'll do 2 inches in between here. Then I'll do 1.5 down here. So that's the second. Then the third one, I'll also do 2 inches here. Then on this side, I'll do 2 inches also. So here, I'll mark ½ inch from this side here. I'll be connecting it. I'll just be rolling it down. Okay, let's see. Okay, from here, I'll mark 1.5 inches. So we have 1, 2, 3 before the middle one. So we are going to do 3 to here. I'll leave ½ inch up here and also leave ½ inch down here. So I'll cut it for all this one. Then I'll sew on it. So sewmates, look at it. After fixing our Rigilene, after sewing our Rigilene boning on it, we have something like this. I'm going to give it a good press. Let me go and press it very well, then I'll come back and show you guys. So guys, this is the outcome. This is what we have now. This is the inside. I'm going to be using this boning also. After this, I'll be using this. Now, how do we do this? I will be inserting this inside all this Rigilene boning. That is what I'll be doing now. Now, if you want to sew this Rigilene boning on your fabric, can you see this tip here? There's a white tip here, and the white tip is also on this other side. Please, when you are sewing, that is where you will sew on, so that you can have enough space to insert your plastic bone. This one is a double boning. This pattern help your clothes, like help your design to be very snatched on your body or on your client's body. That is the essence for this double boning. So this is a double boning technique. I like using my nail file to just file the mouth. I'm going to take this one. Now you'll be inserting it like this. Can you see the way the boning is? Like it is going like this. That is how you will insert it inside. So the only part where you will be turning on this front, you're going to insert it like this. Instead of you inserting it like this front, you're going to be inserting it like this. So let's start from here. So now this is how I place it. It is facing down like this. I will want to go and top stitch the tip first before I continue. So let me do that. Now I have top stitched all the edge here, all the tip here, the upper part here. I've top stitched them. So let's continue. So you bring it out, you mark here like this, you bring it out, you minus ½ inch from it, then you cut. So after cutting, you also file the tip. Then you push it inside. So I am done inserting it on this side, so the only part we have left is this center, and I told you the center had to be like this. Instead of this, it had to be like this. So let me file them out. Like this. Okay, so you also mark here with chalk. You bring it out. You minus ½ inch from it. Then you cut. Then you also file them out. And you push it inside. This is it. So that by the time the client wear it, hair is going to relax on her chest very well. Now, let me go and iron it so that it can lay flat. Cellmates, look at our bone. You can see how neat and fine. Can you see it? It's so beautiful. Look at the inside. This is how to sew a double boning on your fabric. Look at it. Look at those lines. I did not do this double bone thing at the back. The back, I only use a Rigilene Boning. But if you feel like, you can still do the same double boning here. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment for me. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. And share this video so that other people can watch. They can know how to insert, how to sew double boning on a corset. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial.